Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fall vibe look and it's been a little dramatic actually, but I love this look and I hope you will enjoy to watch it. So if you want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. I'm going to apply this primer by First Aid Beauty. This primer is actually really good for hydration and overall skin. It's kind of like a cream skincare and a primer in one. So I'm going to go with my fingers. I'm going to apply it and you can see it's going to glow a little. But it has a really fresh coconut smell and I love it. I'm gonna go with a little bit of eye cream by Lumiere. This is such a good eye cream. I'm gonna put some chapstick just before everything. I'm gonna do my brows really quick. I'm gonna use my favorite pore primer by Benefit and just around the nose, the T-zone. I'm gonna go with this Dior Forever foundation in the shade 3N. Actually, I'm going to spray the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray all over my face before I'm going to apply the foundation. So it's definitely matching my body. I'm going to go with this foundation just where I need more coverage, just like a couple places where I think I need a little bit more and I don't want it like all over my face. So this one is like 2-in-1. It's a concealer and foundation in one. And then with the concealer by Dior as well, and this is in the shade 1W. So I recently purchased this Chanel bronzer again. I used to have it and I ran out of it and I repurchased it, but this one is a new formula. It looks amazing, blends really well and makes me look more tan. I'm gonna grab this brush. Any kind of bronzer brush would be good for that. So it's a cream bronzer. I'm just going like that with my brush and I'm going to apply it as a bronzer like so. Alright, now I'm going to set everything with this Mercier setting powder, and it's a translucent setting powder. I'm gonna start with this L'Oreal brow gel first, and then I'm going to do the 24 by Benefit. Both together are so pretty and I love the combo on my brows. This one just gives it a little bit more color. Then I'll go with a clear one just to make sure it's all staying in place. And another spray of the Urban Decay. And then now I want to go with a bit of a contour, you know. I like to have my cheeks contoured. I'm gonna do a little bit on my nose, and I'm gonna use this Kevyn aucoin. This powder is intense, so don't use too much. I did use it one time and it was like I didn't know how to blend it after, so be careful with that. So I'm gonna use this kind of a brush. It's a Morphe Jacqueline JH07, and it's good for contour because it's like right here, as you see. Like, and this is where I like to put my contour. Dab, like, you don't need that much. Dab the excess and then just right here. If you don't know where to contour, just do this. This is how I do it. And then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild bronzer. Such a good everyday bronzer, so inexpensive, from the drugstore, and it's like a warm tone bronzer. And I'm going to take this big fluffy brush, and it's Sigma large powder brush, and tap tap tap. Why there is excess of powder all over? Okay, I'm gonna use this beautiful blush by Revolution. Yeah, Makeup Revolution London. This color is so beautiful. It's called Beloved. Yeah, it is really. It's like peachy, pinky. I don't know if you can tell on the camera. It's beautiful. And it's matte, so there's no glitter. And if you like this kind of blush, you're gonna like this by Makeup Revolution. Just gonna dab right here a little bit. You can see the glow from the bronzer. It's not from this one. Oh, and I took this brush by Ulta Beauty. It's a blush brush. So hard to say, blush brush. Some on my nose. I'm gonna use this highlight by Estee Lauder, one of my favorite. Can't go wrong with that. And I'm just gonna dab my beauty blender here. Just gonna apply the highlight here. So beautiful. Just gonna take it on the brow bone as well. So I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. It's in the shade Brownie, and I'm gonna blend these eyeliner, the brown and the black. For my eyeshadows today, I'm gonna use two of these beautiful palettes, Natasha Denona. This is the Biba palette, and this one is also a really good palette to have, and this is by Tarte, and it's Tarte in Bloom. It has this cool shades as well, and you can use it also in the winter time and like everyday kind of looks. But I have some shades that I will need from here and some that I need from the Biba palette, so I'm gonna mix up, and yeah, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing. So I'm gonna start with this one by Tarte. I'm gonna start with this shade, and I'm gonna take this fluffy brush. It's a blending brush by Morphe Jacqueline, and I'm gonna start. Oh, this one is very pigmented. I like it. Just gonna apply it right here. So into these colors right now. Then I'm gonna take this brush, and it's a small blending brush by Sigma. I'm gonna take this color, it's called Smoke Show. I will just drag it right here. Okay, and now I'm gonna take this kind of brush, clean brush, and make everything go up. Then I'm gonna take this palette, Natasha Denona, and it has this beautiful shade right here called Sculpture, and I'll probably use this inside. And then I want to take this color Seed from the Biba palette, and it's like a very cool brown shade, and I like to blend it this way. I think the other palette didn't give me like the dark that I wanted, so I'm gonna do this spot right here, and I'm just gonna blend it with this brush. So now I'm gonna go with the Marc Jacob eyeliner in the black one. I will use this shade Rocker, and I'm just gonna use my finger. See how it goes. Let me clean under here with the beauty blender just as much as I can to make it look a little lifter than that. Now I want to curl my lashes. For this look, I must curl it. I'm actually gonna take the black again and go on my upper lash line just to get it even darker. And now I'm gonna go with the mascara, the best one, mcgrath. I love this mascara. So dark and so amazing. Just gonna look down. And a little bit of that, my lower lashes. I'm going to apply this lip liner by Kylie. This is in the shade Malibu. I'm gonna use this. It was my favorite last year in the fall time, this shade. This lipstick is by Bite Beauty, and this is in the shade Honeycomb. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to apply it on my lips. And it's so creamy. I think I'm gonna go a little bit more on my cheeks with this blush by Tarte. Such a cute blush, and I take e.l.f. brush, and it's for blush, angle brush, and I'm going to apply it right here so it will look better and better. I'm gonna take this off. I'm going to let my crazy hair come forward. I love this wavy hair look. And yeah, I'm guessing I'm going to retouch right here and so, but that's the complete the look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video all about cool tone makeup look. I definitely enjoy doing it, so leave a comment below what you want to see next and how you like this one, what colors do you like. Don't forget to subscribe and like, of course, and yeah, I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.